In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in WordPress. We're going to build a clean, focused landing page that's perfect for collecting leads or promoting a single offer, and you won't need any coding skills. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Head to Pages and choose Add New. Give your page a straightforward title like landing page or something tied to your campaign. This creates the blank canvas we'll design on. Next, decide whether you'll use the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg, or a page builder like Elementor. If you're using the block editor, think in sections. Add a clear headline that communicates your value in one line, follow it with supporting text, and place a strong button to drive your main action, whether that's sign up or download. Use image, video, and testimonial blocks to build trust, but keep the page focused on a single goal. Avoid clutter and minimize distractions so visitors know exactly what to do. If you prefer Elementor or another page builder, install and activate the plugin, then click Edit with Elementor on your new page. You can choose a pre-designed landing page template to move faster or start from scratch. Drag and drop elements like images, forms, and buttons right onto the page and style them to match your brand. Page builders make it easy to adjust spacing, change fonts and colors, and fine-tune the layout. Take a moment to check the mobile preview so everything looks great on smaller screens too. Now, customize the design to fit your brand. Use your themes customizer or your builder's settings to set consistent colors, fonts, and layout. Include essential elements, a clear call to action button, a form to capture leads using tools like WP Forms or Contact Form 7, and social proof such as testimonials or logos. Short, benefit-driven text works best. Use contrast on your buttons so they stand out, and keep the most important content near the top of the page. If you want this landing page to be your site's front door, you can set it as your home page. Go to Settings, then Reading, choose a static page, and select your new landing page. This is entirely optional, but it's useful for campaign-specific sites or pre-launch pages. When you're ready, click Publish to make the page live. Copy the page link and share it in your ads, emails, and social posts, or add it to your site's navigation. Tools like Elementor or dedicated landing page plugins such as SeedProd can speed things up with templates and marketing integrations. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.